Hi, I'm Jeff, and I'm going to talk about my 450 Steiner. I purchased this 4 years ago and use it for snow removal only. It's the only thing it's used for. It works excellent. I love the machine. The articulation is perfect with a residential application just because it makes it so maneuverable. The snowblower itself is 48 inches wide. As you can see, I added a shovel mount, and the shovel works perfect right up front there. It throws snow like crazy, but it does clog like any snowblower would in slushy conditions. The offering from the company was just a stabbing pole, which is extremely inadequate. So I actually made, what I did is I took a short-handled spade and cut it down, as you can see. And this works perfect to clear the snow right inside the chute here. If you can imagine the additional leverage you get from a big handled piece like that. And with the crook at the end, it makes it very easy to poke down the last bit in the throat, as you can see. The lighting on this machine, not much came with it. It did come with two headlights that were mounted above, but they just were underpowered. So I actually added the side lighting that you can see here and on the front there. And I also added this LED bar that just works excellent. It really throws out the light. And as you can see, the way it mounts underneath that brow, it's just perfect. It just fit in there absolutely perfect. I also have lights around the back. There's a strobe in the middle, in the back here, and there's one in the front. And also you see the bar light right here. Just excellent lighting on this machine now. They had little quarter size red taillights on it, but I upgraded to a standard LED size. And I actually had to make the bezels for that, but it worked perfect. And on my little trailer, I have lighting as well, and that even goes underneath. It's well protected underneath there. Because let's take a look in the cab. The cab is excellent. It's very tight. I had to fill a few holes where air was drafting in, but it's a very well built machine. I love it. It's heated. As you can see, there were two ports, one that goes up here, and they both went up, but I put a U on this one here, and it blows it down to your feet. Huge improvement. Of course, the levers, you've got the joystick for the top of the chute, a swivel, and the up and down on the blower. It works excellent. I also installed a CD player. Works great. I have sound canceling headphones or your standard straight ear protection. I also added you got to have it on this machine. The steering ball is great. I went with, of course, the traditional 8-ball. Cool. I also added a mount for my phone and a clock. Pro Street 69 Camaro. Yup, it's mine. Also, there's a fan that circulates the air great. It's perfect. I added the rear view mirror. It really needed that. That was a really big help. So we did that. And all in all, it's a great machine, very comfortable to operate. Very, very comfortable. Let's talk about the trailer and the small snowblower. It's a Honda. I've had that for probably 5 years. I had that exact same model for 25 years before that. And I have a friend that's still using it. Excellent machine. But I built the trailer myself, and it came off of what I made was a platform here that holds the sand and the salt. Works great. I extended the platform for the trailer hitch, and I made the little trailer myself. It works great. The snow machine will actually hump up the back of this, so I don't need any ramps. And if you look close, there's a 2-inch lip here, so it can't slide off the sides. And the front actually hooks over the front of the side rails and keeps it from sliding back. So I really don't have to tie it down when I'm moving, because the machine only goes 10 miles an hour anyways. So it's a great trailer. It works excellent. I made it myself. I can show you how I made that. If you look at it, it's started with a typical hand truck. And if you lob off the base and the handle, you have the platform that works perfect for this kind of application. The hand truck is rated for 800 pounds. The snow machine is way less than that. I had to make the axles wider to accommodate the machine, which helped stabilize it too as well. So that was really good. But it's a very inexpensive way to have a platform that you just add a few pieces and make a trailer. It really, really works well. I love the setup.